OpenNebula Online Training. Introduction to OpenNebula. OpenNebula is an open-source cloud computing platform that enables the management of virtualized data centers and private cloud environments. It provides a simple yet powerful way to build and manage infrastructure as a service (IaaS) clouds. Key features: virtualization and containers. OpenNebula can handle both virtual machines, VMs, and containers, allowing you to choose the best option for your needs. Multi-tenancy. It enables multiple users or groups to share the cloud infrastructure securely. Automation and elasticity. OpenNebula automates tasks like provisioning resources and can scale your cloud environment up or down based on demand. Hybrid and edge support. It can manage resources across different cloud providers and even integrate with resources at the network edge. Benefits: simplicity. OpenNebula offers a user-friendly interface and is known for being easy to set up, use, and maintain. Flexibility. It supports various virtualization technologies and cloud deployments, giving you control over your infrastructure. Cost-effectiveness. Being open source, OpenNebula avoids vendor lock-in and potentially reduces licensing costs. What is OpenNebula and its core functionality? OpenNebula is an open-source cloud computing platform that allows users to build and manage private, public, and hybrid cloud infrastructures. Its core functionality revolves around providing tools and features for virtualization, resource management, and automation, enabling users to deploy and manage virtualized environments efficiently. Here are some of its core functionalities. Virtualization management. OpenNebula supports various virtualization technologies such as KVM, VMware, and XCN, allowing users to create and manage virtual machines, VMs, easily. Resource management. It provides tools for managing computing, storage, and networking resources across the cloud infrastructure. Users can allocate and monitor resources according to their requirements. Multi-tenancy. OpenNebula supports multi-tenancy, enabling different users or groups to share the same cloud infrastructure while maintaining isolation and security. Hybrid cloud support. It offers features for integrating with public cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP, allowing users to extend their infrastructure seamlessly. Self-service portal. OpenNebula includes a user-friendly web interface where users can provision and manage virtual machines, networks, and storage resources through a self-service portal. Orchestration and automation. It provides tools for automating various tasks such as VM provisioning, scaling, and monitoring, allowing users to streamline their operations and reduce manual intervention. High availability and disaster recovery. OpenNebula offers features for configuring high availability and disaster recovery solutions, ensuring continuous availability of services and data. Integration with ecosystem tools. It integrates with various ecosystem tools and technologies such as Ansible, Terraform, and Kubernetes, enabling users to extend and customize their cloud infrastructure as needed. How does OpenNebula compare to other cloud management platforms? OpenNebula is a powerful cloud management platform that offers several features and capabilities similar to other cloud management platforms like OpenStack, VMware vCloud Director, and CloudStack. Here's how OpenNebula compares to these platforms. Architecture and deployment. OpenNebula. OpenNebula follows a simple, lightweight, and flexible architecture, making it relatively easy to deploy and manage. It supports various deployment models, including on-premises, hybrid cloud, and public cloud. OpenStack. OpenStack is a more complex and feature-rich platform with a modular architecture. It offers extensive scalability and customization options but may require more resources and expertise to deploy and manage effectively. VMware vCloud Director. vCloud Director is tightly integrated with VMware's virtualization technologies, providing advanced features for managing VMware-based cloud infrastructures. It's known for its robustness and enterprise-grade capabilities but can be costly. CloudStack. CloudStack is an open-source cloud computing platform that offers features similar to OpenNebula and OpenStack. It's known for its stability and simplicity in deployment. Resource management. OpenNebula. OpenNebula provides efficient resource management capabilities, including virtual machine, VM, lifecycle management, storage management, and network management. It supports various hypervisors, storage backends, and networking technologies. OpenStack. OpenStack offers comprehensive resource management features, including compute, storage, and networking services through its various projects like Nova, Cinder, and Neutron. VMware vCloud Director. vCloud Director offers advanced resource management features tailored for VMware environments, including VM provisioning, storage allocation, and network isolation. CloudStack. CloudStack provides robust resource management features, including VM orchestration, storage provisioning, and network configuration. Community and ecosystem. OpenNebula. OpenNebula has an active and growing community of users and contributors. It provides comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and user forums for support. OpenStack. OpenStack has a large and vibrant community with extensive documentation, user groups, and third-party integrations. It's backed by numerous companies and organizations, contributing to its ecosystem. VMware vCloud Director. vCloud Director is primarily used in VMware-centric environments, with support and resources provided by VMware and its partners. CloudStack. CloudStack has a supportive community and ecosystem, with regular updates and contributions from developers and users worldwide. Scalability and performance. OpenNebula. OpenNebula is designed to be lightweight and scalable, making it suitable for small to medium-sized deployments. It can scale up to manage hundreds or even thousands of virtual machines efficiently. OpenStack. OpenStack is highly scalable and can handle large-scale cloud deployments with thousands of nodes and VMs. It's widely used by enterprises and service providers for building public and private clouds. VMware vCloud Director. vCloud Director is known for its scalability and performance, supporting large-scale virtualized environments with high availability and performance requirements. CloudStack. CloudStack is designed to be scalable and can handle large deployments with ease, making it suitable for cloud service providers and enterprises. Exploring OpenNebula's architecture, components and modules. OpenNebula is an open-source cloud computing platform that manages data center resources such as storage, networking, and virtual machines, VMs, providing a centralized interface for administrators and users to interact with. Let's explore its architecture, highlighting its key components and modules. OpenNebula Core 1. Daemon. This is the main component responsible for managing and coordinating various activities within OpenNebula. It communicates with other components and manages the life cycle of virtual machines and other resources. Core modules. These modules handle tasks such as VM lifecycle management, scheduling, accounting, monitoring, and authorization. Database. OpenNebula relies on a database backend, commonly MySQL or SQLite, to store configuration data, user information, and runtime state information. User interfaces. CLI, Command Line Interface, provides a text-based interface for administrators and users to interact with OpenNebula, allowing them to manage VMs, templates, and other resources. Sunstone Web Interface, a web-based GUI, graphical user interface that offers a user-friendly dashboard for managing cloud resources. Sunstone provides features such as VM management, monitoring, and user group management. What deployment models does OpenNebula support? OpenNebula primarily supports 3 deployment models. Private cloud. OpenNebula can be deployed on-premises within an organization's data center infrastructure. This model offers full control and customization over the cloud environment, making it suitable for organizations with specific security, compliance, or performance requirements. Hybrid cloud. OpenNebula enables the integration of on-premises infrastructure with public cloud resources from providers such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. This model allows organizations to leverage the scalability and flexibility of public cloud services while maintaining control over certain workloads or data on their private infrastructure. Edge computing. OpenNebula supports edge computing deployments, where resources are distributed across multiple locations closer to end users or IoT devices. This model is beneficial for applications requiring low latency or offline operation, such as IoT, content delivery, or real-time analytics. These deployment models provide flexibility for organizations to tailor their cloud infrastructure according to their specific needs, whether it's optimizing for performance, compliance, cost-effectiveness, or a combination of factors. How does OpenNebula ensure scalability and high availability? OpenNebula ensures scalability and high availability through various mechanisms and features. Modular architecture. OpenNebula is designed with a modular architecture, allowing users to scale the system horizontally by adding more resources as needed. Each component of OpenNebula can be scaled independently, such as the front end, the hypervisor hosts, and the storage subsystem. Load balancing. OpenNebula can utilize load balancing techniques to distribute incoming requests across multiple front-end servers. This ensures that no single server becomes overwhelmed with requests, improving both scalability and availability. Fault tolerance. OpenNebula includes fault tolerance mechanisms to ensure high availability. For example, it supports redundant storage configurations such as RAID for data protection and it can be deployed in a distributed setup with multiple front-end servers to tolerate failures of individual components. High availability clusters. OpenNebula can be deployed in a high availability cluster configuration where multiple instances of the control plane components, such as the front end and the scheduler, are deployed across multiple physical servers. This ensures that if one server or component fails, the workload can be seamlessly transferred to another node without interruption. Automatic failover. In ANHA configuration, OpenNebula can automatically detect failures and initiate failover procedures to ensure uninterrupted operation. For example, if the primary front-end server fails, OpenNebula can automatically switch to a standby server to continue serving requests. Monitoring and health checking. OpenNebula includes monitoring and health checking capabilities to continuously monitor the health and performance of the system. This allows administrators to proactively identify and address potential issues before they impact availability. Scalable storage. OpenNebula supports various storage backends, including distributed and scalable storage solutions such as Ceph and GlusterFS. These storage solutions can be scaled out to accommodate growing storage requirements while maintaining high availability. Understanding OpenNebula's networking capabilities. OpenNebula is an open-source cloud computing platform that allows you to manage and orchestrate virtualized data centers. When it comes to networking, OpenNebula provides several capabilities for configuring and managing network resources within your cloud infrastructure. Virtual networks. OpenNebula allows you to define virtual networks, which are logical networks that can span across physical hosts and are used by virtual machines to communicate with each other and with the outside world. Network isolation. You can create isolated virtual networks to ensure that different groups of virtual machines do not interfere with each other's network traffic. This is useful for multi-tenant environments where you want to maintain strict network segregation. Network configuration. OpenNebula allows you to configure various aspects of virtual networks, including IP addressing, VLAN tagging, and network topology. You can define network attributes such as IP ranges, gateway addresses, DNS servers, and more. Network address translation. NAT. OpenNebula supports NAT functionality, allowing virtual machines to access external networks using NAT rules defined within the platform. This enables virtual machines to communicate with the Internet or other external networks through a single public IP address. Firewall rules. You can define firewall rules within OpenNebula to control the inbound and outbound network traffic for virtual machines. This helps enhance security by restricting access to specific ports or IP addresses. Network monitoring. OpenNebula provides tools for monitoring network activity and performance within your cloud infrastructure. You can view statistics such as bandwidth usage, packet loss, and network latency to optimize network performance and troubleshoot any issues. Integration with external networking technologies. OpenNebula can integrate with external networking technologies such as Open vSwitch, OVS, VLANs, and software-defined networking, SDN, controllers to extend its networking capabilities and provide advanced networking features. Storage management with OpenNebula, overview and best practices. OpenNebula is an open-source cloud computing platform that allows you to manage virtualized data centers. Effective storage management is crucial for optimizing resource utilization, ensuring data availability, and enhancing overall system performance. Here's an overview of storage management with OpenNebula along with some best practices. Storage models in OpenNebula. Data stores. Data stores in OpenNebula are storage repositories where virtual machine, VM, images, snapshots, and disks are stored. OpenNebula supports various types of data stores including file-based, example NFS, Glusterfs, block-based, example ISCSI, LVM, and object-based, example Ceph. Image data stores. These are specialized data stores used for storing VM images. Image data stores can be shared among multiple hosts, making it easier to deploy VMs across your infrastructure. System data stores. System data stores store the disk images of running VMs. They are typically local to the host and used for temporary storage. Best practices for storage management with OpenNebula. Plan your storage infrastructure, understand your workload requirements, and design a storage infrastructure that meets your needs in terms of performance, scalability, and reliability. Use different types of data stores, depending on your requirements. Utilize a mix of file-based, block-based, and object-based data stores. For example, use file-based data stores for VM images and block-based data stores for high-performance applications. Implement storage redundancy. Implement redundancy at the storage level to ensure data availability and reliability. Use techniques like RAID for block-based storage and replication for object-based storage. Monitor storage performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your storage infrastructure to identify bottlenecks and optimize resource utilization. Use tools like monitoring plugins or built-in monitoring features in OpenNebula to track storage performance metrics. Automate storage provisioning. Leverage automation tools and scripts to automate the provisioning and management of storage resources. This helps streamline operations and reduces the risk of human error. Backup and disaster recovery. Implement backup and disaster recovery strategies to protect your data against data loss and ensure business continuity. Schedule regular backups of critical data and test your disaster recovery procedures periodically. Optimize storage utilization. Implement thin provisioning and deduplication techniques to optimize storage utilization and reduce storage costs. This allows you to allocate storage resources more efficiently and avoid over-provisioning. Stay updated. Keep your OpenNebula installation and storage drivers up to date to benefit from the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. What hypervisors does OpenNebula support? OpenNebula supports various hypervisors, offering flexibility in deployment and management of virtualized environments. As of my last update, it supports the following hypervisors. KVM, kernel-based virtual machine, a popular open-source hypervisor for Linux. VMware vSphere, a leading virtualization platform for building cloud infrastructures. Microsoft Hyper-V, Microsoft's native hypervisor for Windows Server environments. LXD, a lightweight hypervisor that uses Linux containers for virtualization. LXC, another Linux container hypervisor that offers lightweight virtualization. How does OpenNebula handle resource scheduling and management? OpenNebula handles resource scheduling and management through its advanced scheduling policies and powerful management tools. Here's a breakdown of how it accomplishes this. Resource monitoring. OpenNebula continuously monitors the status and usage of physical and virtual resources within the data center. This includes CPU, memory, storage, and network bandwidth. Scheduling policies. OpenNebula employs various scheduling policies to efficiently allocate resources based on user-defined criteria. These policies can consider factors such as resource availability, user priorities, workload characteristics, and affinity-anti-affinity rules. Dynamic adjustment. OpenNebula dynamically adjusts resource allocations based on changing workload demands and resource availability. It can automatically scale resources up or down to meet demand while optimizing resource utilization. Integration with hypervisors and cloud APIs. OpenNebula integrates with popular hypervisors such as KVM, VMware, and XCN, as well as cloud APIs like AWS and Azure. This allows it to manage resources across heterogeneous environments seamlessly. Multi-tenancy support. OpenNebula provides robust multi-tenancy support, allowing different users or groups to share the same infrastructure while maintaining isolation and ensuring fair resource allocation. Policy-based management. Administrators can define policies to govern resource allocation and usage, ensuring compliance with organizational rules and optimizing resource utilization. User self-service portal. OpenNebula offers a user-friendly self-service portal where users can request and manage resources according to their requirements. This empowers users to provision and manage resources independently while adhering to organizational policies. Integration with monitoring and reporting tools. OpenNebula integrates with monitoring and reporting tools to provide insights into resource usage, performance metrics, and compliance with SLAs. This helps administrators make informed decisions about resource allocation and optimization. Advantages of OpenNebula Online Training. OpenNebula Online Training offers several advantages. Accessibility. Online training allows participants to access course materials from anywhere with an internet connection. This is especially beneficial for individuals who may not have access to traditional classroom settings due to geographical constraints or other commitments. Flexibility. Online training often offers flexible scheduling options, allowing participants to learn at their own pace and fit the training into their existing schedules. This flexibility can be particularly valuable for working professionals or students with other responsibilities. Cost effectiveness. Online training typically eliminates the need for travel and accommodation expenses associated with in-person training. Additionally, many online training programs offer more affordable tuition fees compared to their in-person counterparts. Interactive learning. Despite being remote, many online training platforms offer interactive features such as virtual labs, discussion forums, and live webinars. These features facilitate active learning and provide opportunities for participants to engage with instructors and peers. Self-paced learning. Online training often allows participants to progress through course materials at their own pace. This can be beneficial for individuals who prefer to take their time to fully understand concepts or who want to accelerate their learning by moving quickly through familiar topics. Global community. Online training brings together participants from diverse backgrounds and locations, fostering a global learning community. This enables participants to network with professionals from around the world, exchange ideas, and gain insights into different perspectives. Up-to-date content. Online training platforms can easily update course materials to reflect the latest developments and best practices in the field. This ensures that participants have access to current and relevant information throughout their training. Recorded sessions. Many online training programs offer recorded sessions, allowing participants to review course materials and lectures at their convenience. This can be particularly helpful for reinforcing learning and revisiting challenging topics. Case studies. Real-world applications of OpenNebula. Research and education institutions. OpenNebula is widely used in research and education institutions to provide computing resources for various purposes such as scientific research, data analysis, and collaborative projects. These institutions leverage OpenNebula to build private clouds that offer flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. For example, the European Space Agency, ESA, uses OpenNebula to manage its private cloud infrastructure for scientific computing and satellite data analysis. Web hosting and service providers. OpenNebula is used by web hosting companies and service providers to deliver infrastructure as a service (IaaS) solutions to their customers. These providers leverage OpenNebula to build and manage multi-tenant cloud environments that offer virtual machines, storage, and networking services. Case studies from hosting providers demonstrate how OpenNebula helps them optimize resource utilization, improve service reliability, and reduce operational costs. Telecommunication and media companies. Telecommunication and media companies utilize OpenNebula to deploy and manage cloud-based services such as content delivery networks, CDNs, video streaming platforms, and VoIP applications. OpenNebula enables these companies to dynamically allocate resources, scale infrastructure on demand, and ensure high availability for their services. Case studies from telecom and media companies showcase how OpenNebula facilitates the delivery of high-performance and scalable cloud services to customers. Enterprise IT infrastructure. Enterprises across various industries leverage OpenNebula to build and manage their private cloud environments for internal IT operations, application development, and testing. OpenNebula helps enterprises optimize resource utilization, streamline IT management processes, and enhance agility in deploying and scaling applications. Case studies from enterprises highlight how OpenNebula enables them to achieve cost savings, improve IT efficiency, and accelerate innovation. Government and public sector organizations. Government agencies and public sector organizations deploy OpenNebula to build private clouds for hosting mission-critical applications, managing sensitive data, and delivering citizen services. OpenNebula's robust security features, compliance capabilities, and support for hybrid cloud deployments make it suitable for government use cases. Case studies from government organizations demonstrate how OpenNebula helps them meet strict regulatory requirements, ensure data sovereignty, and enhance service delivery to citizens. Why choose ProExcellency for OpenNebula online training? Choosing ProExcellency for OpenNebula online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise. Pro-Excellency likely offers training led by experienced professionals who possess in-depth knowledge of OpenNebula. Their expertise can ensure a comprehensive understanding of the platform. Quality content. They might provide well-structured and up-to-date training materials, including tutorials, exercises, and real-world examples, enabling participants to grasp concepts effectively. Interactive learning. Pro-Excellency may offer interactive sessions, allowing participants to engage with instructors, ask questions, and collaborate with peers, fostering a more dynamic learning experience. Flexibility. Online training with Pro-Excellency provides flexibility in terms of scheduling, allowing participants to learn at their own pace and convenience, without the need to travel to a physical location. Certification. Completing training with Pro-Excellency might come with certification, which can be valuable for demonstrating proficiency in OpenNebula and enhancing career prospects. Support. Pro-Excellency likely offers post-training support, such as access to resources, forums, or assistance from instructors to help participants apply their newfound knowledge effectively. Reputation. Pro-Excellency may have a positive reputation within the industry for delivering high-quality training, which can instill confidence in the effectiveness of their programs. Thank you.